Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue, a team of research channel. In this video tutorial, we're going to take you how to save image a WebP image to a JPEG or PNG as you want. Now, this time I'm going to show you how to download it as a file that you want, that to the extension, different extension format. So now as you can see here, when I right click and then save on it, if we are saving it a normal like this, if we go now, we're gonna put it to the desktop version. As you can see here, it is a WebP file. So the file is only support with the Google Chrome only that can open it. So to open that file, now I got you an example for you. For example, now we're gonna open with Chrome. You will see it properly, and the file name is WebP like this. Go to Chrome's here, go to Chrome's web store, click on that. Now you go ahead and search this name like save image as Thai, and you will see the HTML gamer here, and the logo is like this. Go ahead and search this name here in save image as Thai here, and offered by HTML5 gamer, and it is the logo of this app here. So this app can download multiple format like WebP or so itself and save as a JPEG or PNG. So I recommend you to use this one because this one is enough for you. So go ahead and click on add like this, and then click on add extension. And after the extension have been added, you will see something like this. And now go to this page again and then refresh it. Click on refresh, and now you can download it or can save it to the JPEG or PNG file image. So right click on that, and you will scroll more down, not at this place. So you will scroll more down, you will see this mark here that save image as Thai, PNG or JPEG or WebP itself. So now I'm gonna want to use the JPEG file. So click on JPEG file like this, and select the folder, destination folder, and then click on save. Now I save it on desktop. So here is the image that I have been already saved on the desktop. So thank you guys for watching my video tutorial.